Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys missed me as much as I missed you. I'm sorry I haven't posted. My last video was supposed to be the BoxyCharm unboxing, but I'm actually still working on that video. It was a disaster, still currently is a disaster, but I will be making sure I post it soon, so stay tuned for that. So if you want to know how I do a ceviche hack recipe, then stay tuned for this video. So as you can see, I have my crab meat, my chunk style and flake style crab meat, and my shrimp sliced into 3. And if you see some liquid in here, it's because I already squeezed 1 lime in here, and you'll see that I'll add another one in a minute. Slice the lime in half. You squeeze the lime inside here. You squeeze. The reason I'm squeezing it inside of this bowl is because I want to make sure that there's no seeds. So as you can see, this is the second amount, so I'm going to put half of it, and then I'm going to mix it around. So now I'm just going to pour the rest of that in here. I'm going to mix it around. As you can see, I already have my grape tomatoes sliced into 4s, and my olives I sliced into halves. Cut it in half, and you cut this part off, this little end off. So now you take this little layer off, because this layer is bad. So now this is how your onion will look after you peel it off. So what you're gonna do when you're cutting an onion, you're gonna wanna make slices like this across the onion. So you slice it, slice it, slice it, slice it, all the way through. And this is how your onion should look. You can see all the little slices, all the little slices. Now, you're going to slice it this way across. And when you do it like this, you're gonna have even onion pieces. And this part I just toss. So if you feel like your slices are not even, like sometimes the end pieces don't cooperate, that's fine, you can just go over it. So that is how you properly dice an onion. I'm gonna put them inside the bowl like this and make sure I go like this so all the pieces are kind of broken up when I'm putting them in there. It's better to have diced onions because you can, you know, kind of distribute them evenly inside of whatever type of salad or ceviche or whatever that you're doing. So now I'm going to show you how I sliced up my mango. I'm going to cut it down the side. And you want to make sure that your mango is very soft. Not very soft, but kind of soft. You do not want a hard mango because you're not going to be able to use it. Then you can decide how big you want your slices to be. You can cut half of it and pour it in there, and then flip it out and cut the other half, and make sure you don't get the peel. You can also do it with a spoon. The corner is still right here. You kind of just go with your spoon, and if your mango is done well enough, you'll be able to do, basically just cut it like that. That's how I do it. My boyfriend taught me that, and honestly it works beautiful. And I'll just show you how I slice my avocado. You want to make sure your avocado is a little soft, and you cut it like that all the way around. in a full circle, and that's how it should look.
And you slice it just like you would do the mango.
And a good thing about adding avocado in your ceviche is the lime will keep the avocado from turning brown.
So again, with the spoon, you just scoop it out. The pit, you go like this with the knife.
And it comes right out. If the avocado is ready. If the avocado isn't ready, then you won't be able to use it. It will be so hard. This one is soft to the touch. If you pick this little thing out, you'll be able to see that it's green on the inside. And you mix it around. And I do put a little bit of vinegar as well, just to enhance the flavor. And I only use the cap that the vinegar comes with, and I pour a little bit in there and I mix it in. So now I'm just gonna add, and as you can see, that lime juice is still in there sitting. And I put 2 limes in here. I'm gonna put half of the mixture. And you're probably like, where is the cilantro? Just give me a minute and I'm gonna add it in there. So the cilantro is all washed. Now what you're gonna do is kind of roll it together and slice. And then you add it in there. And this is what the outcome is going to be. And that I decided to make this video was because I was like, oh my god, I love ceviche, but who has time to let your shrimp and all that cook for so long? Especially like if you're doing a barbecue or like a little comida and you're cooking everything, you don't have time to be letting that shrimp cook inside that lemon or lime for that many hours. So this is a little hack. If you're doing everything, this is gonna make your life so much easier, and everybody's gonna be like, oh my god, your ceviche is amazing. And little do they know that it's a hack deal. So if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up.